At Rule 1, we put our money where our mouth is, and I'm gonna walk you through a real world example that we had a lot of success on over the past year. Netflix was front page news talking about how there was a perceived subscriber slowdown. Now, I've been a Netflix subscriber and customer for over a decade, since they were shipping DVDs by mail before I even had internet in my house. And I've always wanted to invest in this company because it's wonderful. I love the product, but it was never on sale. And so as the negative news started to pour out, the stock price was up at about $700 and it declined down to around $400 or $350 beginning of 2022. When this happens, when a stock declines 50%, that's as powerful of a brand as Netflix, we get very interested in our Rule 1 process. And so we ran it through a very simple formula that we use of, does the company have a moat? Does it have great management? In both cases, it was a yes. They were growing their numbers really well. Everybody knows Netflix, big brand moat. The management, Reed Hastings, founder, CEO, super invested in the company. I like to know that the CEO that's running the company has skin in the game. And if he owns a lot of stock, that tells me that his choices are gonna be reflective of his own net worth, not something that could potentially put the company in a bad position. And then we go to value, and we were valuing the company at about $500 a share, meaning on sale, 50% off is $250 a share. They had their Q2 earnings call, and overnight the stock dropped from $350 to $220, and it opened on sale. The price that Netflix got to was the same price that Netflix was trading at back in 2015. And so had you been invested in Netflix that entire time, you basically gave up 7 years of returns in 3 months, or you could have just waited for Netflix to be a wonderful company on sale, invested in it last year when it was under $200, and you would already be up over 100% this year. This news cycle gave me an opportunity to invest in a wonderful company that otherwise I never would have had.